Harengkat ki khubor ki bala sapriang ha kirinsan social media halor ka jingdon ki bertemu Pynkhlaiñ Biang ka sengking Atiar narilum Garo ka Garo National Liberation Army GNLA ubak Prestone tensong sembut menteri rangba ubari kmi ikatanat kampo iyeng ka sarkar jelau laong baka sarkar kan Ailad ikate jing temu kumban syukuro bah ka nok phai sngi jong ka ar tarik rempang arjar pusau ka siti ka bapenpau ya ka jing Pynkhlaiñ Biang ya ka GNLA kala sapriang ha kirinsan social media ya ka bala soy do goera pantora sangma ubak kami ala dia chairman ke GNLA regroup ke kerteng thamai jong ka kanhon hakate ke sithi ke GNLA R kala bu hakmat ke jingdawa pentrai kam yak ILP Garo customary law bat kiwe
my assurance is to the public and to the citizens of the state is that the police is proactive and will make sure that regrouping does not at all happen. Police forces is very much proactive and will make sure that regrouping does not happen.
So, how authentic is this report that they are trying to regroup?
That's what I'm saying, because now you are here to question me. Even me myself, I question myself. Okay, because you don't know whether this news is true or false. But what I'm trying to tell you, 24/7, police forces are always ready and we are proactive to any such, be it the news or be it the intention of maybe few group of people or maybe some young boys who wanted maybe to have that luxury of having a new group or something. But we are alert, and then we will not at all sleep, and we'll make sure that such regrouping does not arise. See, not necessarily to strengthen the presence of police. I'm telling the police is on the ground, and number two, our intelligence report also is fully strengthened. So please leave it to us. But let me assure you, as I said again, that regrouping will not at all happen, and we are not going to allow that.
Halor ka hinyo trap National Liberation Council ka bala weng no eladia na kami Ïakren yasuk bat ka sarkar jala kumjuro bat ka sarkar India sembut menteri rangba ulaong ba ka sarkar kala pha ka jing Khot Ïakren Biang ya ka council
we de ba agency to kla don em pat ka jing pha jing Khot na kalang agency man one so kami jing Ïakren so ulo son
come not ngi tingil ada invite, we keep inviting te ka syong pa na kalang joki kay ka bala de ki let's say ki kwa ban boy kata ka jing Ïakren ru nga try kin kandas kansadon ni ka official communication resmi.